everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view deleted posts on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Even if you delete an Instagram post, a copy of it will remain in Services Archives. Deleted Instagram post can be recovered and restored at any time within 30 days of the original deletion. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Your Activity. On Your Activity page, scroll downwards. Tap on Recently Deleted. Here you can see all your deleted posts. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to view deleted posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.